Jeep has officially stepped into the realm of VIP protection, law enforcement, and high-level tactical operations with the launch of the 2025 Wagoneer Command Operations Vehicle, COV. Developed in direct cooperation with federal, state, and local agencies, this specialized version of the Wagoneer is now available for order through Stellantis U.S. dealerships, designed to meet the rising demand for secure, powerful, and highly connected mission-ready vehicles. From the outside, the Wagoneer COV maintains the bold presence of the standard long-wheelbase Wagoneer, but it's what lies beneath that sets it apart. It's powered by the 420 horsepower 3.0-liter twin-turbo Hurricane engine, capable of launching this full-size SUV from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 6.3 seconds. The Quadra-Lift air suspension with automatic rear-load leveling, a 240-amp alternator, and best-in-class 10,000-pound towing capacity ensure that the COV is not just about comfort, it's ready for heavy-duty field deployment. For agencies and departments needing rapid deployment, the COV features an easy-to-order tactical upfit package. This includes a full Whelen lighting suite, from visor-mounted inner edge bars to rear RST window lights and quad grille flashers, plus a behind-grille siren speaker, Whelen Syncom Core multifunction siren, and custom wiring harnesses for mission-critical gear like computers, radios, radar systems, modems, and printers. Cargo areas can be fitted with multiple storage solutions for weapons and equipment, transforming the SUV into a fully mobile operations center. Safety and technology are top priorities. The Wagoneer COV boasts over 130 standard safety features, including intersection collision assist, night vision with a 10-inch head-up display, adaptive cruise control, 360-degree cameras, and rear automatic braking. With features like drowsy driver detection, active lane management, and traffic sign recognition, it's engineered for proactive protection on the move. Inside, the COV doesn't compromise on comfort. With 8-passenger seating, standard leather upholstery, and 3-zone climate control, it's as luxurious as it is mission-capable. It also claims best-in-class space in every direction, headroom, legroom, and cargo volume, making it a practical choice for long shifts or rapid extractions. Digital connectivity is front and center. The COV comes with Jeep Connect, including 3 years of remote services, 10 years of access to safety features like stolen vehicle assistance, and 5 years of vehicle health reports. Over-the-air updates keep the software secure and up-to-date, ensuring the vehicle remains mission-ready long after delivery. Already making waves with government agencies since its January 2025 reveal, the Wagoneer COV made its on-track debut at Stellantis Fleet Showcase event at the M1 Concourse in Michigan. According to Stellantis Law Enforcement Program Manager Ryan Austin, the COV is quickly becoming a top choice for motorcades, logistics, and tactical operations across the U.S. With unmatched capability, high-tech defense systems, and premium space, the 2025 Jeep Wagoneer Command Operations Vehicle redefines what a modern tactical SUV can be: rugged, refined, and ready for any mission.